keep forgetting. Yeah, there's a bottom one there that's not lighting up. That's probably that other relay that's not kicking on.
Which one?
Yeah, there's like 3 that are having issues. But it's somewhat working. You can get it vinyl in different opacities and thicknesses.
So it does this one, then this one, then this one, then this one.
Yeah, and we got 3 offs and 1 on. So that one that's always on, which I think might be an issue with the board.
Was it board or wire an issue?
Could be I'll probably suspect the cable, because that cable is kind of hard to put together. Yeah, the order is going to be funny because it's not going to match how it's laid out in the pins.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure it out, maybe.
Well, what we have to do is build a chart, all the pins and which ones. So I bet the 3 that aren't turning on have like issues with the strip, so I might have to replace the strip. That one that's stuck on, I don't know. I might have to look at the board.
Yeah, because you can see from the LED, you can see from the LED that it is stuck on.
Yeah.
This will make a good attract mode. Changing the color like this.
Oh yeah, well we could play around with it now that we got it somewhat working.
I'm trying to play on it.
Well, I tell you, the people will be able to see this from like 3 miles away. I'll tell you that much. The thing's huge. Would this count as a salsa beat or a rumba beat? I don't... Let's just send this to Alex. Like, here, I got you a drum beat.
All right. Hopefully this will fix it. Yeah, it's kind of weird because I'm looking at it backwards from the other side.
There we go. All we gotta do is fix those broken digits, and I think we'll be ready to roll.
I need to make a set color function now.